Hello and welcome to How to Use the CEFALY device. We'll show you how to get started with CEFALY and how to select a treatment program. Before using your CEFALY device, please read the included manual and fully charge the device. Then you're ready to begin. It's important to cleanse your skin before every CEFALY session. This will help ensure the electrode attaches securely to your forehead. Use the cleansing wipes provided, or soap and water to wash between and above your eyebrows. Afterward, be sure to dry your skin thoroughly. Open an electrode packet and slide out the plastic sleeve. Gently peel the electrode from the backing and save for later use. Use a mirror to place the electrode correctly on your forehead. The bottom curved part should go between your eyebrows, and the wings of the electrode should be just above your eyebrows. Once in place, run your fingers along the electrode several times to check that it's flat and firm against your skin. On the back of your CEFALY, there are two magnets that allow the device to securely attach to the electrode. Hold your device so these magnets are exposed and bring it toward your forehead. The device will pull itself toward the electrode and automatically settle into its proper place. Once your device is securely attached to the electrode on your forehead, you're ready to select your treatment program. The CEFALY Dual has two treatment options. You will select the appropriate program using the button on the front of your device. When pressing the button to select a program, you will hear a corresponding beep. During a migraine attack, press your device button once to activate the acute program. This is a 60-minute long program designed to treat migraine attacks when they begin, to stop or relieve your migraine pain. To activate the prevent program, press your device button twice. This is a 20-minute long program designed for the preventative treatment of migraines. With proper daily use of the prevent program, you may see a reduction in the number of your migraine days. If while the intensity is increasing, the sensation begins to feel uncomfortable, you can press the button on your device once to stabilize the intensity level for the remainder of the treatment session. Once your session is complete, your CEFALY device will automatically shut off. You can now remove the device by pulling it away from the electrode, then gently detach the electrode from your skin. To ensure optimal use of your electrode for future sessions, place it back on the plastic sleeve and slide it into the packet. Now pack your device and electrode away in your storage case until you're ready for your next treatment. Yes, it's that simple. Apply, treat, relief with CEFALY, the drug-free, clinically proven treatment to relieve migraine pain and reduce the number of migraine days. For additional support, contact CEFALY.